Canada has introduced strict new immigration regulations, granting border officials sweeping powers to alter visa status, reject permits, and even cancel work and student visas at their discretion. The new Immigration and Refugee Protection Regulations, effective from February, allows officers to deny or revoke temporary resident visas, work permits, and student visas if they believe an individual may not leave Canada after their authorized stay. These changes create uncertainty for thousands of students, workers, and migrants already in the country or planning to arrive. Key impacts of the new rules are: border officials have full discretion to reject or cancel permits at any time. Students and workers already in Canada could lose their status, leading to forced departures. No clarity on refunds for tuition, loans, rent, or other financial commitments if permits are revoked. Affected individuals will be notified via email and their IRCC account. This move follows Canada's November 2024 decision to shut down the Students' Direct Stream Visa program, a once preferred pathway for international students. With migration pathways tightening, thousands face an uncertain future in Canada. Experts advise those affected to regularly check their IRCC accounts for updates and seek legal counsel if necessary.